We have got a severe thunderstorm warning for Illinois. Winds about to 60 miles an hour, and quarter-size hail is reported with us. The storm is just coming into the area. It's going to be here about 5:20. It's 5 o'clock now, or a couple minutes after. So, gotta buckle down here for a second. Hope to get this video in after the storm's over with. So, just got the severe thunderstorm warning a few minutes ago, and it's not looking too good here. Seeing some bright purple on the radar. It's over in Rydot, going through Freeport, and it'll be here as soon as possible. Got some people out. This could be a very interesting storm this morning. Just one day shy of my birthday. I'm going to be turning 35 tomorrow. So, hope all goes well this morning. Might be a bug trying to get in my house. Wow. This storm looks great. I hope to post this on Facebook pretty soon. But if we get a power outage and we get power back on after the storm is over, this will be one to see if you miss it. But here we go. It's about 5 after. The storm's getting more and more severe. Rain's picking up. Winds might be increasing here in a second. I'm going to have to get into shelter here for a second. But the storm looks great, looks healthy. Here comes the winds. This will be one heck of a storm. Hope y'all enjoy this one. I'm enjoying it myself. But radar looks great. It's dark purple over in Freeport. Very healthy storm. It's raining pretty heavily right now. Lots of lightning and thunder with this one. This might be my best storm yet. So, it looks great. Wow, look at that lightning over there. See how it's like off-white. And there's some purple color. I don't know if that's a spider coming down. But this storm looks good. Very good. Notice I might get an Academy Award for this. Let's send it into Hollywood. Storms like these can cause quite a stir. Didn't think I'd be up at this hour of the morning. I usually am. This storm looks good. A lot of heavy rain over there. By where you see that light. Very impressive storm coming. A lot of good heavy rain. Ooh, good lightning. Very healthy storm coming. Heavy rain, not much wind. Just calm before the storm though. Winds are picking up just a little bit. Wow. Storm is really nice. Winds are picking up now. Just a little bit at a time. Rain's getting a little heavier. I think it's a little bit like 12 after 11 or after 5 this morning. Rain's getting heavier. Feeling that backlash wind right on my back. Rain's picking up heavier and heavier and heavier. I think the storm is here. It's gonna get massive. Oh boy. Here we go. Yeah, buddy boss. Alright. Had a storm last year that was around this time and it flooded the whole street. Water stayed on the street for about a half hour and then went away. This is sometime last year. Today might be a carbon copy.